Mr. Speaker, I rise on a very important matter of health and a matter that affects all members in this House. Mr. Speaker, you have just seen the whip. The whip on the majority side has walked in with a welder's helmet, some glass kind of thing. Mr. Speaker, is that the right attire for this House? And is he fit to be part of this assembly today, Mr. Speaker?
Order, senators. Senator Wamatangi, I want to give you 1 minute to explain what you are wearing because it looks strange to the House.
Now, Mr. Speaker, I appreciate the point of order by Senator Kajwang, and it's not that I've not been in the Juakali sector and done all manner of trade, including welding. But, Mr. Speaker, this is a mask, Mr. Speaker. And if you look at the actual meaning of a mask, no, yes, it's a face shield, but it is also a mask. I mean, you know, for Mr. Speaker, just for the purposes of explaining what the purpose of the item is, it's a mask, Mr. Speaker. But Mr. Speaker, now that I'm on the floor, Mr. Speaker, if you know that you gave me an opportunity, Mr. Speaker, would you be kind enough?
I only gave you an opportunity to explain what you are wearing.
Yes, Mr. Speaker. But would you, if I seek your indulgence, Mr. Speaker, would you kindly allow me, because I came running, because I was hoping that I would find the Senator for Kitui on the floor, Mr. Speaker.
Now that is not there.
Mr. Speaker, because this is a House of Records. This is a House of Records, Mr. Speaker.
Order,
Mr.
Senator.
Mr. Speaker,
Order, Senator.
We are debating the same bill, Mr. Speaker.
Whip.
We are debating, Mr. Speaker. This is the bill we are debating, Mr. Speaker.